Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Strawberry Liners is probably one of the most exciting kitchen gadgets you can get your hands on. These little wonders promise to keep your strawberries fresh for longer, reducing waste and saving you money. But do they live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of strawberry liners, testing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if they're worth the investment for your kitchen. Number 5. Foil Cupcake Liners 300 Pack. These cupcake liners are made of food-grade paper, ensuring they are odorless and durable for your baking needs. They are a perfect choice for any occasion and safe for use. These liners are a great gift for bridal showers. They are practical and elegant, making them a thoughtful present for anyone who loves to bake. The liners are grease-resistant, so the outsides stay bright and shiny during baking. This feature ensures your cupcakes look as good as they taste. The special PET plastic package makes it easy to select, protect, and store the liners. This convenient packaging keeps them organized and ready for use. With these gold, silver, and rose gold liners, you have more choices for your baking. Have fun with kids at home or in kindergarten. Have fun with the kids, friends, and customers making fancy cupcakes with these elegant cupcake liners. They are perfect for any event. What we like? These liners boast an elegant metallic finish, perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your treats. The grease-resistant design keeps the outsides looking bright and shiny. If you're planning a bridal shower or a special event, this is a great choice because it will make your cupcakes look professional. What people say. I really like that they came in 3 colors so that I could easily differentiate between flavors of cupcakes. Every flavor rose, domed, and baked just beautifully. They make medium-sized cupcakes, look exactly as pictured, didn't damage at all in the oven, and cupcakes came out easily with light non-stick spray added. Number 4. Strawberry Mini Cupcake Liners, 100 PCS. These cupcake liners feature a delightful strawberry pattern, making your treats look even more appealing. The design adds a touch of fun and elegance. They are perfect for any occasion. You'll receive 100 cupcake liners, perfect for both home baking and dessert shops. This ensures you have plenty on hand for all your baking needs. It's a practical choice for frequent bakers. These liners measure 1.97 inches by 1.18 inches, ideal for mini cupcakes and muffins. They come neatly packaged in a plastic cylinder box for easy access. The size is just right for individual servings. Made from greaseproof paper, these liners are microwave and oven safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are designed to withstand high temperatures and are easy to peel. You can bake with confidence. These strawberry muffin liners are great for cupcakes, muffins, and snacks. They are suitable for birthdays, weddings, and other celebrations. They are perfect for preparing tea desserts. These muffin liners are ideal for baking, lunch, or snack cups. They are great for daily home desserts or party refreshments. They make your treats look and taste even better. What we like? These liners feature a charming strawberry pattern, making your cupcakes look extra delicious. Made from greaseproof paper, they are microwave and oven safe. If you're hosting a birthday or a party, these liners are ideal for adding a fun and festive touch to your desserts. What people say. The liners fit perfectly. They are easy to install. The material is great. Number 3. Caperci White Cupcake Liners, 500 count. These Caperci cupcake liners are designed for perfect baking. They are made of high-quality, food-grade paper, ensuring your treats are safe and delicious. The liners have a top diameter of 7.5 centimeters, a bottom of 5 centimeters, and a height of 3 centimeters. This size is ideal for standard cupcakes and muffins. Made with no-smell, greaseproof paper, these liners guarantee food safety. They provide a stable and reliable performance in the oven. The cupcake wrappers can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use them in the oven, microwave, and refrigerator. The muffin liners come in a plastic storage tube. This makes it easy to separate and store them, keeping your kitchen organized. These high-quality baking cups are suitable for various events, such as weddings and birthdays. They make your cupcakes look professional. Enjoy a worry-free experience with a 12-month warranty. Contact us for any issues. We offer unconditional replacements. What we like. These cupcake liners are made of no-smell, food-grade paper, ensuring your treats taste their best. They are oven and microwave safe, offering convenience in your baking process. If you are looking for a reliable and safe option for everyday baking, this is the one. What people say. They're exactly what I want in baking cups: no smell, truly food grade, and reliably grease-proof. The liners keep their shape beautifully, don't discolor, and peel off cleanly without taking half the cupcake with them. They stay upright and nothing seeps through them, so the muffin pan stays clean. Number 2. Gifbera Rose Gold Cupcake Liners, 200 count. Introducing these beautiful rose gold cupcake liners from Gifbera. They are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any celebration. These liners will make your cupcakes look stunning. These liners fit standard cupcake and muffin pans. With a 2-inch bottom diameter, they make baking and cleanup a breeze. You'll love how easy it is to use them. Made with environmentally friendly and sturdy materials, these liners are designed to last. They separate easily and are made with heavy-duty, food-grade foil. It's a great choice. These brightly colored fluted paper cups add a fun and festive touch to your cupcakes and muffins. It's a quick and colorful way to make your treats stand out. They are perfect for any occasion. Celebrate weddings, birthdays, or any elegant party with these rose gold liners. They're the perfect way to dress up your treats. These are a must-have for any baker. The special PET plastic package makes it easy to select, protect, and store these liners. You can easily grab what you need. It's convenient and practical. What we like. These liners come in a beautiful rose gold foil, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any celebration. They are easy to use and store, making your baking experience hassle-free. If you are planning a wedding or anniversary, this is a great choice because it will make your cupcakes look professional. What people say. The liners fit perfectly. The color is great. They are easy to install. Number 1. Wilton Mini Baking Cups, 350 count, 1.25 inch. These mini baking cups are perfectly sized for your bite-sized treats. They are ideal for mini cupcakes or muffins, providing a neat and professional presentation. Enhance the visual appeal of your baked goods with these white cupcake liners. The clean and simple design adds a touch of elegance to your mini cupcakes or mini muffins, perfect for parties and birthdays. These mini cupcake liners are a canvas for your culinary imagination. They inspire endless possibilities for your baking endeavors, allowing you to create a variety of mini desserts. These cupcake wrappers are hassle-free, allowing for quick and effortless cupcake preparation. The non-stick surface prevents sticking and ensures easy removal, making your baking experience smoother. These muffin baking liners can be used for various mini desserts and snacks. From mini cheesecakes to chocolate truffles, they are a versatile addition to your baking supplies, making them a must-have. What we like. These mini baking cups are perfectly sized for bite-sized treats. The clean and simple design adds a touch of elegance. If you like to make mini cupcakes or muffins, you should consider this because it is versatile and practical for various desserts and snacks. What people say. While these are not the cheapest mini cup liners available, the quality makes them a much better value. The paper is more substantial and the fitment is perfect for a mini cupcake pan. The end result is a much better performing liner. They looked kind of small but size was perfect for my mini muffin tray. No sticking to cupcakes. Came off easily and can throw the used cupcake papers in our green garbage bin, so a win-win. Plus, make cupcake tray much easier to clean. They are the perfect size and sturdiness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.